Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is dark chocolate apricot cookies. So I'm taking a bag of these dried apricots and I'm going to dice them up into little pieces. You need a cup, which is pretty much the entirety of this bag. And then the cookie mix is pretty simple. You're going to take a Betty Crocker sugar cookie bag, mix and dump it in there. I also have some softened butter. And then I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of orange extract. And 1 egg. And then I'm going to mix that up until it comes together as some dough. Once it has formed dough, you can add in the apricots. I always do it in my mixer instead of folding it in because I'm lazy, but I only let it go for about 10 seconds or so. And then you're going to roll them into about teaspoons. Mine are kind of bigger than that. And bake them in the oven for a while. And when they come out, they will look like this. Then you can melt the chocolate. And once that is all nice and melty, you can dip half the cookie in there. Let all the excess drip off of it. And then lay it on parchment paper. Now it will take a couple hours to completely dry. So this is probably like the longest part, is dipping them all and then letting it drip off. So once I quit filming, I was like doing it 2 at a time, and that was more productive. And I feel like these are better the smaller the cookie you make them. But here's what they look like when they are completely dried. Interesting cookie. It's got the chocolate. Tastes a little bit of the orange, chewy little pieces of apricot in it. It said it was an award-winning recipe. I will link the cookbook below where I got it from and the recipe as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.